Hi friends, welcome to all of you in my channel, in my Vedic Mathematics Intermediate course. So what we are going to start today, before I talk about that, let us think what we have done in the last time. In our last session, we have done multiplication of two numbers of different base, but both are below base. Two different numbers, they have got different base, but both of them are below the base. Today what we are going to do? Today we are going to do the similar thing, multiplication of two different numbers of different base, but both are above base. They have got different bases, but both are above base. So it is somewhat similar like that, but there is some difference. Let us see that. So for that, let us start with an example. Please do follow my example. Question number 1. 105 multiplied by 12. 105 multiplied by 12. Well, here the base is how much? 100. I'll write here this side 100, and here the base is 10. So what we're going to do is that this, the difference of this number from the base, (105) minus 100 is plus 5, and 12 minus 10 is how much? Plus 2. This is the difference. Now let us take the bigger number, but you see that in the base of the bigger number there are two zeros, and the base of the smaller number there are 1 0. The difference of zeros is 1. It has got 2, it has got 1 0. So the difference is 1 0. So we'll add 1 0 here in the smaller number difference. Once again, we'll check up what is the difference between the bigger numbers, the base of the bigger number, and the base of the smaller number. Difference here is 1 0. So we'll add this 1 0 to the difference of the smaller number. Now take the bigger number 105. This is the first part of the answer. 105 plus this difference 20. This is the first part of the answer, and the second part of the answer is 5 into 2, the original 2 and 5, 5 into 2, that is this. So here this becomes 125, and in the base of the smaller number, check up the base of the smaller number, it has got 1 0, so we can have only one digit here. 5 into 2 is 10, so write 0 here and 1 below this. Once again, since this is 5 into 2 is 10, but the zeros in the smaller number base is only 1. Therefore, we can have only one digit here. So 5 into 2 is 10, we'll write one digit 0 and 1 here. The answer is 1, 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 1, 2, 6, 0. That is the answer. I hope you have followed it. I'll repeat it once again. We have to multiply 105 into 12. They have got different bases. It has got 100 base, it has got 10 base. The difference, number minus base, is plus 5, number minus base is plus 2. Now we'll take the bigger number 105, and we will have to add the difference of zeros. It has got 1 0 more, so we'll add 1 0 here in the difference of the smaller number, so we'll make it 20. Now add this 105 with this 20, and then your original number was 5, original difference was 5 and 2, multiply these two, 5 into 2, right? So here it becomes 1250, 1250, and 1250, and then 5 into 2 is 10, so it becomes 0. It becomes 0, one digit here and one here. Since this is 10, but in the base of the smaller number there is only one 0, so you can have only one digit here. So we'll put 0 here, 1 here. It total is 1260. That is the answer. I hope you have followed it. Things are simple, but once you have to follow it, then things will become very simple for you. I'll do the next question so that you can understand it if there is any doubt. Let us multiply 103 into 18. Here the base is 100. Here the base we are taking as 10. Right? So 103 minus 100 is plus 3 and 18 minus 10 is plus 8. Plus 3 plus 8. Now the zeros in the bigger numbers base is 2 and here it is 1. So the difference is 1 0. So we'll put 1 0 here. Now add this 103 with 80. It becomes 103 plus 80. We'll add like this, the bigger number and the difference. And then multiply this 3 and this original difference, 3 into 8. It becomes 183 and 3 into 8 is 24. Here again in the base of the smaller number there is only 1 0. So you can have only one digit here. 3 8s are 24, 4 here and 2 here. So it becomes 1854. I hope you understand it, right? So 103 plus 80 and 3 into 8 is 24. But this 3 into 8 24, we can have only one digit here because there is 1 0 in the base of the smaller number. We'll always check the smaller number for the zeros, for the digits to be written here. So 4 here and 2 here, the total is 1854. I think you understand it. Things are very simple. Let us do the next question. 1006 into 102. Here the base is 1000 and the base is 100. Here 1006 minus 1000 plus 6 is the difference. Here 102 minus 100 plus 2 is the difference. Right here like this. Now you can, if you have got any confusion, there is first part of the answer and the second part of the answer. You can write the second part of the answer first. 6 into 2 is the second part of the answer. Just put it here. Now the difference of zeros and difference of zeros between these two bases is 1 0 only. It has got 3 zeros, it has got 2 zeros. So we'll add 1 0 here. And now we'll add this bigger number with the difference of the smaller number. That is 1006 plus 20. This is the first part of the answer. So now it becomes 1026 and 6 into 2 is 12. The base of the smaller number, it has got 2 zeros here. So you can have 2 digits here. So you will write 1 2. 6 into 2, 1 2, 12. So 1026, 1 2, that is the answer. I think it's simple. You can understand it. You have understood it. 1006, 102. The difference is 1006 minus 1000 plus 6. 102 minus 100 plus 2. So 6 into 2, this is the second part of the answer. And then the difference of zeros between these two bases is 1 0. We'll write 1 0 here. So now add this 1006 with this 2020. Add it, it becomes 1026 and 6 into 2 is 12. The zeros in the smaller number base is 2. So you can have 2 digits here. So we'll write 6 into 2, 12. The answer is 102612. I think it's simple. I think you have followed it. Let me do the last question for you. Yes. 1001008. 10008 with 10003. right? 10008 and 10003. Here the base is 1 4 zeros, and here the base is 1 3 zeros, right? Now 1 10 lakh 8 10,008 minus 10,000, it becomes plus 8. 1,003 minus 1,000, it becomes plus 3, right? Now the second part of the answer is 8 into 3, and the first part of the answer 10008 plus, it has the difference of zeros. There is 4 zeros, there are 3 zeros, the difference is 1 0, we'll write 1 0 here. If it would have been 100 and this is 10,000, we would have taken 2 zeros as difference, 2 zeros. Since there is only 1 0 difference, we'll write 1 0 here. So here add these two. 10008 plus 30. First part of the answer, it becomes 10038. 3 8s are 24, and here in this base there are 3 zeros. We will have to have 3 digits here. Now 3 8s are 24, this is 2 digit only, so we'll write 1 0 here and then 2 4. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24, 2 digits and 1 0 extra because there are 3 zeros here. We'll have 3 digits. So answer is 10038,024. I think you have understood it. Let me explain it once again. 1008 multiplied by 1003. The base is 10,000, base is 1,000. 10,008 minus 10,000 is plus 8. 1,003 minus 1,000 is 3. So the first part of the answer is 8 into 3. And second part of the answer, for that we will have to see there are 4 zeros, there are 3 zeros, there is 1 0 extra, so we'll write 1 0 here. And then add this bigger number with this difference 3 0. It becomes 10038, and 3 8s are 24. There are 3 zeros here. We will have to have 3 digits here. So write 24 here and 1 0 extra to make 3. The answer is 10038,024. Things are very simple. I hope you have understood it. Right? Well, now since you have understood it, it was somewhat similar like the earlier day what you have done. Let us have some exercise so that you can practice. Exercise 106 into 12, 1005 into 111, 10003 into 107 and 10002 into 18. Right? So particularly for this example, there are the base is 10,000, there will be 4 zeros, and here the base will be 10. The difference of 4 zeros and 1 0, there will be 3 zeros difference. We'll write 3 0. In the difference of the smaller number, we'll add 3 zeros as we have added 1 0 or 2 0 as in the case may be. Right? So please do try these 4 problems. Practice it yourself. If you practice it, then only you'll be able to understand things very clearly. And if you've got any doubts till then, please do write in the comments box so that I can reply to your questions and you can clear your doubts. So I hope you have understood this and you have liked this video. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like and share with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic Mathematics. So what are we going to do next time? We are going to do next time multiplication by 9. It's very simple, multiplication by 9, but there will be one shortcut method of doing 9. So why not to understand that? Why not to learn that? So we'll learn the multiplication of by 9 in our next session. So till the time I meet you again with my next session, all the best. Please take care of yourself.